Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get TDL files for Tally Prime. TDL, or Tally Definition Language, is a powerful programming language specifically designed for Tally. It allows you to customize Tally Prime extensively, enabling the creation of new reports, invoices, and functionalities. Understanding TDL is key to tailoring Tally to your unique business needs and enhancing its standard features. You can find TDL files from several reliable sources. Tally Solutions, the creators of Tally Prime, offers official TDLs for various enhancements. Additionally, many third-party developers and consultants provide custom TDL solutions tailored to specific industry requirements. You also have the option to develop your own TDLs if you possess the necessary programming knowledge, offering ultimate flexibility. To implement a TDL file, first copy it to an easily accessible folder on your computer. Next, open Tally Prime and press the F1 key for help. Navigate to the TDL and Add-on Features option. Here, you can manage local TDLs and specify the full path to your TDL file. After saving, the new features will be active. TDL files significantly enhance Tally Prime's capabilities, allowing for greater customization and efficiency in your business operations. They can automate tasks and generate specialized reports. Always remember to back up your Tally data before adding any new TDLs to prevent data loss. Also, ensure that any TDL you use is compatible with your specific version of Tally Prime for seamless integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.